Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to stop WhatsApp from saving photos and videos and other documents from group chat. So currently any person can send document, photos or videos in group chat or groups. That photos and videos or media download auto and save on our device or gallery. So we are going to disable this option for groups only. So you can open any group. So this is our group, my files. Now click on name, my files. So you can click on your group name. So click on it. And then you see group name, my files, group, one member. And then you see media visibility. So click on it. And now you see pop-up, show newly downloaded media from this chat in your device gallery. By default, yes. Another option is yes or no. Now select no, and this option will prevent in future to save any media from this chat on your device gallery, and then click on OK. Now you see media visibility option off. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.